Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home improvement products. Today, we're talking about one of the top-rated and most reliable shower door handles available on the market, the Primeline M6158 die-cast shower door handle set. If you're looking to upgrade your shower or tub enclosure with a durable and stylish handle, this could be just what you need. The Primeline M6158 handle set is designed for both tub enclosure sliding doors and swinging shower doors. It features a chrome-plated finish that not only gives it a sleek, modern look but also ensures long-lasting durability. The handle is made of die-cast materials, making it a solid and sturdy choice for your bathroom, capable of withstanding the daily wear and tear of a busy household. Installation is quick and straightforward, and everything you need is included in the package, from the handle to the fasteners. With a 2-inch hole center spacing, this handle is compatible with a variety of shower door systems, so you won't have to worry about whether it'll fit your setup. Whether you're replacing an old handle or adding one to a new shower door, the installation process is hassle-free. What sets the Primeline M6158 handle apart is its strength and reliability. Its die-cast construction ensures that it's built to last. And its chrome finish resists corrosion, so it can withstand exposure to moisture and heat, making it the perfect addition to your bathroom. The handle is also ergonomically designed, offering a comfortable grip and making it easier to open and close your shower doors. If you're tired of struggling with flimsy, hard-to-grip handles, the Primeline M6158 offers the perfect solution. Its sturdy build and smooth functionality will make your shower experience much more convenient and enjoyable. So, whether you're replacing a broken handle or looking for a stylish new addition to your bathroom, the Primeline M6158 die-cast shower door handle set is the ideal choice. It's easy to install, durable, and adds a modern touch to any shower or tub enclosure. Make sure to check it out today, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique.